As we manufacture more and more EV cars, we're finding that situations where we need to have a lot of power and not at traditional places. The Ford family has been committed, especially Bill Ford, with moving this technology forward. It's a real commitment throughout the whole company to push for innovation and the need to move to EV.
Well, we're excited to be here to demonstrate the full system capable of handling all of the requirements that we have, and excited that this came together as quickly as it did, in a short period of time, overcoming a lot of the challenges that we have had with engagement levels and component availability.
3 years ago, we weren't sure what the electric vehicle market would look like. We've come from building plants for them where they were doing powertrains and engines and body stamping and all these cool things for us, right? We weren't sure what that would look like when it went to electric vehicles and how that market would change. It's been really exciting, and we see it's still just in its infancy. I mean, we see this carrying on for years, and it's really exciting for us.
I would have said, the electric vehicles are going to become a thing of the future possibly, but it's not here. And today I would tell you, it's here. It's here to stay, it's not going away. In fact, it's going to get better and better.